Welcome all. Now let's look at one more question. So determine current I of t in the network of given figure. So we have to determine the expression for I of t. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. By this diagram also you can understand that this is the symbol of switch and it is shown that it is in this direction, that means it is getting closed at time is written t equal to 0. The inductor is initially unenergized. The inductor is initially unenergized. So this thing is written. The meaning is that initially unenergized meaning is that initial current of inductor is I of 0 equal to 0. So this data is provided. So we do not have to go for t equal to minus infinity. That means t equal to 0 minus state, because they have directly provided that inductor is initially unenergized, means initial current is 0 ampere. So this data is provided. Okay, so we will proceed. Now at t equal to 0, inductor is closed switch. So here closed switch has been formed. So what is the tendency of inductor? That it will get charge. Whenever source is available, the inductor tendency is that it will stores energy in the form of magnetic field and current is getting accumulated across inductor. Okay, now next thing, that after closing of switch, after switch is closed, the battery is connected to the network. The battery is connected to the circuit, this portion of the network. The battery is connected. So whenever the source is connected, after the switching action, so we should go for that formula. Which formula? Final plus bracket initial minus final, final plus bracket initial minus final, e raised to power minus t by tau. So this is the key concept. Whenever switch is closed and if source is connected to the network, we should go for this formula. Final value plus initial minus final value, e raised to power minus t by tau. So you have to determine three things. First thing, final value, then initial value, and last is time constant tau. Time constant tau. If you are able to determine these three things, then your problem is solved. And already they have provided that initial value is 0 because it is initially unenergized. So we have to just calculate final value and time constant for this circuit, tau for this circuit. Okay, now for finding out time constant, what you have to do, turn off the independent source. That means voltage source is short circuited. Turn off the independent source, that means voltage source is short circuited. This inductor is open for finding RTH. If I want to find the RTH, I will open this inductor and I will see the resistance between this point A, and between this point B. How much is the resistance? That will be my RTH. Okay, so see here, this 4 ohm, this 4 ohm is connected between A, this 4 ohm is connected from this node to this node. Also this 4 ohm is connected from this particular node and this node. That means this 4 ohm and 4 ohm are in parallel because they are sharing same two nodes. So 4 parallel 4, 2. 4 parallel 4 is 2. Okay, after that from point A, if I start, I have one 4 ohm resistor plus this parallel combination resultant is 2 and I will reach to point B. So overall it will be 4 plus 2, that means 6 ohm. So RTH is 6 ohm. Now inductor in the question, how much is inductor? 1 Henry. Now we know that time constant is, for an RL circuit, time constant is L equivalent divided by RTH. L is 1, RTH is 6. So 1 by 6 second is the time constant. So we have determined the time constant as 1 by 6 second. Now only thing we have to determine is the final value so that we can complete the solution. Okay, for finding out final value, So final value means t equal to infinity. At t equal to infinity, definitely steady state will be reached. Steady state has been reached. Okay, in steady state, inductor is short circuited. Okay, so I can either apply nodal here, try to get voltage VA, then I can get the current through this 4 ohm resistor. Suppose if I apply nodal here, so VA minus 24 divided by resistance 4, VA minus 24 divided by resistance 4 plus VA by 4 plus VA by 4 equal to 0. Okay, so this is I1 current, VA minus 24 divided by 4 plus VA minus 0, this is the ground in my network, VA minus 0 divided by 4 plus VA minus 0, this is 0 same node, so VA minus 0 divided by 4 equal to 0. So denominator is common, 0 into 4 0, so VA plus VA, VA plus VA plus VA, 3 VA equal to 24, so VA equal to 24 upon 3, that means 8 volt. VA is 8 volt. Now current will be, this current will be 8 divided by resistance is 4, that means the current will be 2 ampere. So in steady state current is 2 ampere. At t equal to infinity current is 2 ampere, that means final value is 2 ampere. Time constant was 1 by 6, initial current was 0 and final current is 2 ampere. So use that formula. So final value 2 plus initial value 0 minus final value is again 2, then e raised to power minus t by tau. So minus t by tau, and tau is nothing but 1 by 6. So 2 minus 2 e raised to power t divided by 1 by 6. So 6 will come in the numerator. So it is nothing but minus 60 ampere. So this is the answer for this question. Very simple question. Once again I will repeat how I have proceed. Okay, we have to determine I of t. We have to determine this current. The switch is closed at t equal to 0. So this is closed at t equal to 0. So after closing of switch, the source is connected to the inductor to the network. So I should use that formula, final plus initial minus final e raised to power minus t by tau. This formula I should use. Okay, then they have provided that it is initially unenergized. As it is initially unenergized, initial current is 0. Initial current is 0. Okay, now I have find out the time constant. I have opened the inductor and turn off the independent source, that means make it short circuit. Voltage source is short circuit. Turning off voltage source means short circuit. Then I have determined the RTH and L, and I got the time constant as 1 by 6. Okay, after that I have determined the final value. So and steady, that means at t equal to infinity, inductor is short circuited, and I have determined the current in this 4 ohm resistor with the help of nodal analysis. Okay, so once I have the all the values, I have substituted in the equation. Final value plus bracket initial minus final e raised to power minus t by tau. I got the expression for I of t. You can see the solution here. Given inductor is initially unenergized, IL0 minus equal to IL0 plus equal to 0 ampere. So equation number 1, initial current equal to 0. Now finding out time constant, turn off independent source. So 4, that 24 volt is short circuited, and this 4 and this 4 are in parallel. 4 parallel 4 is 2. This is in series with this 4. So RTH is 6 ohm, L is 1. So time constant is 1 by 6 second. Okay, now for finding out final value, figure t equal to infinity. I have drawn the figure for t equal to infinity, this inductor act as a short circuit. In steady state, inductor act as a short circuit, and I have determined this I infinity current in this 4 ohm and this short circuited inductor. That current comes out as, with the help of nodal, that current comes out as 2 ampere. And after that, use this standard equation, final value plus bracket initial minus final, e raised to power minus t by tau, and I got the answer. The concept is that after application of switch, if source is connected to the network, then I should use that formula, final plus bracket initial minus final, e raised to power minus t by tau. I hope it is clear. Okay, thank you.